Hello dear traders, this is Traders Calendar from ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Marina Generalova. During the second half of the week, markets will watch the following macroeconomic publications. On Thursday, the Central Bank of New Zealand will announce its decision on interest rates for October. Experts forecast the regulator to hold the previous mark of 3.5%. Previously, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand took a decision to leave the benchmark interest rate at 3.5% as well. That was in line with expectations of economists. The central bank had raised the core interest rate by 25 basis points at each of the previous 4 meetings. In a statement accompanying the publication, it was noted that the economic growth was backed up by increasing construction activity as well as higher consumption and business investments. Furthermore, the overall global growth remains also positive. Also on Thursday, the US will disclose its preliminary third-quarter GDP estimate. According to a median forecast of analysts, the American economy has grown by 3.1% in July-September quarter and expanded by 2.3% compared with the third quarter last year. In the second quarter, the US GDP growth was 4.6%. At the same time, the second GDP estimate was at the level of 4.2%, while the preliminary one at the level of 4%. In the first quarter, the US GDP contracted by 2.1%. Consumer spending, state and district administrative expenditures made the most significant contribution to the GDP growth. An increase in imports was also reported. Meanwhile, Germany will unveil its Consumer Price Index report for October on Thursday evening. Market analysts forecast 0.1% deflation compared with the previous month and a 0.9% increase on a yearly basis. In September, Germany's Consumer Price Index was unchanged at 0.8%, thus matching analyst expectations. That was the lowest reading since February 2010, when prices rose by 0.5%. On a monthly basis, consumer prices were unchanged, while economists had projected a decline. In addition to the events we listed, there will be the following reports released too at the end of the week. In the UK, the deputy head of the Bank of England will make a speech. In Germany, the number of unemployed and the jobless rate data will be out. The United States will provide its initial unemployment claims report, and the Fed Chair Janet Yellen will deliver her speech. On Friday, Japanese Consumer Price Index figures will be out. Australia will report on its producer prices, while the Bank of Japan will announce its interest rate decision. The euro area will unveil the region's CPI data. Canada's GDP data will be known also. On Saturday, China will publish its manufacturing PMI report. It was InstaForex's calendar. Stay tuned and have a great day.